Fire up those taste buds because we are diving into a dish that is bursting with citrus, buttery, and spicy flavors. Let's make lemon butter peri peri prawns. This recipe will serve 5 people. Step 1. Let's make the savory rice. For this, you will boil or steam 1 cup of rice with 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of salt until it is soft and fluffy. A few minutes before draining the water from the rice, add in 1 cup of frozen mixed veggies. Drain and remove once the rice and veggies are soft. Step 2. Let's marinate and grill the prawns. Here I'm using 2 kgs of prawns, cleaned and washed. To the prawns, add 2 teaspoons of red chili powder, 2 teaspoons of fine salt, the juice of 1 lemon squeezed, 2 teaspoons of freshly crushed garlic, and 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix until all the spices are well incorporated into the prawns and leave this aside to marinate for 30 minutes or overnight. Before grilling, place these prawns onto an oven tray, pour a 1/4 cup of melted butter over the prawns, and grill for about 15 minutes at 150 degrees Celsius. I usually like to cover the prawns with a foil because this prevents the prawns from drying out. Step 3. Let's make the lemon butter sauce. To a pot, add in a 1/4 cup of melted butter. Then to this, add in 2 tablespoons of chopped spring onions and 250 ml of fresh cream. Once you've stirred this, add in 2 tablespoons of parsley, and once this has thickened, spread this over the grilling prawns, and then grill again for about 15 minutes. It's best to grill and serve this immediately. So once you're ready to serve, spread the rice with the mixed veggies onto a casserole, then place the prawns over the rice. I usually like to drizzle some lemon butter sauce over the prawns and serve this with some fries as well. These are so delicious. Let me know in the comment section if you do try this recipe. Lemon butter peri peri prawns. Connect with me on my socials on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. Until next time, happy cooking and thanks for watching.